Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show.
Today is Thursday, November 5th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carlton we will have sunny skies. It will be a high of 79 and a low of 57.
November is Native American Heritage Month. By today, we'll be honoring Maria Tallchief. Maria Tallchief was born on January 24th, 1925 in Fairfax, Oklahoma. She grew up in LA, where she began her studies of ballet. In 1947, Tallchief became the first prima ballerina in the New York City Ballet. During her lifetime career in ballet, she toured the world and paved the way for other Native Americans in the dance world, always showing pride in her ostrich heritage.
Today is National Donut Day. Looks like a great day for some donuts.
The book fair starts today. This fall, the book fair will be held online between November 5th and November 18th.
In the headlines, unforgettable, meet Pistachio, the puppy born with green fur. The owner said green is the symbol of hope and luck. One of 5 dogs born on October 9th. He was the only one with green fur. Immediately, they named him the tiny dog Pistachio.
Today in history, in 1885, George B. Selden is granted the first U.S. patent for the automobile.
Now for the joke of the day. Why do trees hate tests so much?
I don't know.
Because they get stumped on all the questions.
Today's fun fact is a buffalo is part bison and part cow. What?
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is a key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Malia.
I'm Malia.
And this is Larry. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, 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 bum.